Hello everyone and welcome back to my final morning report chart appraisal on Friday the 19th of February with me, Rich Perry, market analyst at Handset Markets. Let's look at gold, and this gold chart broke out again yesterday. The safe haven trades that we've seen in the market, dollar yen and gold specifically, beginning to get traction again. Both of those trades have moved back through their 23.6% fib levels, and gold pushing back at closing above it is a strong outlook for the move ahead. You've got a slight little bit of a retracement today, nothing too significant. We actually hit 39.50 yesterday, 12.39.50, and then it's sort of corrected back. So actually, well, I say nothing too considerable. It's sort of $17 pretty much of correction already. However, you would still say that having broken above the 23.6% fib, this becomes supportive. It is sort of a breakout level as well, 12.1680, sort of around about that 23.6% fib level. So that becomes your sort of basis of support near term. I'd use a correction back into it as a chance to buy, because I still see this as a long-term positive outlook, really. And I think that as long as this RSI continues to hold on to its uptrend, I see this as possibly coming up to retest the highs again, 1260. I'd look at the possibility of this move just sort of beginning to slow down. If that were to happen, you'd be looking out for the RSI breaking the uptrend, you're looking out for the MACD lines crossing negative, you're looking out for the stochastics falling. All these sort of different aspects, you'd say that if that starts to happen and maybe then the gold price falls back below 23.6% fib, maybe that is sort of the beginning of a corrective phase. But at the moment, you're still holding on to this positive outlook because you've broken above 23.6% fib, and it looks pretty strong. So here we go on the hourly chart. It's not showing too much wrong with it at the moment. Pretty much positive because you've got the move above. Look at that RSI. In the consolidation, you were failing at 60. You broke through 60 quite strongly, so that is now becoming your sort of a positive signal. Also, you're finding support at 30, well, about 37 to be honest, so mid-30s, shall we say, on the RSI. So if you come back and find support on the hourly RSI around that level and then push higher, I'd say that is a nice little buying opportunity. If you start to break down below the mid-30s on the hourly RSI, I think that could be suggestive that this rally is rolling over. So it is again an important day with this sort of initial bit of selling pressure coming through on gold. It's as I said, yeah, it's quite an important move. You're $10 down on the day at the moment. So it is a reasonable correction already, but you'd be looking to find support around these sort of levels and certainly above 23.6% fib if you're going to hold on to this bullish break that the market had yesterday. So I hope that helps you today, and I'll speak to you later. I think.